At PowerGistics, we understand the frustration schools face managing, charging, and storing their classroom tablets, Chromebooks, and laptops throughout the day, continuously deploying devices, and managing power cords and charge levels. Wasted time adds up fast. PowerGistics, a leading provider of innovative, space-saving charging solutions, knows teachers are busy already. We have designed a solution to save time and protect investments in tech devices. The open-door design lets teachers visually inventory devices, even with the door shut and the devices secure. With 100% student-managed deployment, teachers don't have to store or charge devices or even touch them. Just open the door. We provide a single-touch deployment of our devices, keeping students safe. You can add an antimicrobial coating to the towers. Add a cleaning caddy for easy disinfecting of devices. Each device has its own color-coded shelf. With our effortless cable management system, our towers make it easy for even the youngest students to access their devices. Towers can hold 8, 12, 16 or 20 iPads, tablets, laptops or Chromebooks. Using multiple towers for deployment avoids congestion in one part of the classroom. Our 100% student-managed towers and split deployment design saves teachers on average more than 21 days per classroom per year. PowerGistics towers are wall-mounted. PowerGistics towers are freestanding or available with a mobile solution for more flexibility in moving the unit around the classroom. PowerGistics towers can provide shared storage for a variety of devices. Our towers come with a lifetime warranty and are proudly built in Wisconsin. Prepare your classrooms with PowerGistics towers for education.